Making weed tea is a fantastic way to recycle garden waste into a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your plants. Here's a simple guide to making weed tea using a 5-gallon bucket, some common weeds, and a few additional ingredients. First, gather a good amount of weeds. It's best to use a variety of weeds because different plants will contribute different nutrients. Common weeds that are easily available in your garden are excellent choices. Chop the weeds into smaller pieces to help them break down faster in the tea. Aim to fill about half of your 5-gallon bucket with these chopped weeds. Next, add water to the bucket. Rainwater is ideal because it doesn't contain chlorine or other chemicals that can harm the beneficial microbes in the tea. If you don't have rainwater, you can use tap water, but it's important to dechlorinate it first. After you've added the water, toss in a handful of compost or leaf mold. This will introduce beneficial microbes that help break down the plant material and release the nutrients into the water. If you don't have compost or leaf mold, you can use garden soil. But compost or leaf mold is preferable because they are rich in microorganisms. Now, stir the mixture well. Make sure all the plant material is submerged in the water. Cover the bucket loosely with a lid or a piece of cloth to keep out debris while still allowing air to circulate. This is important because the beneficial microbes need oxygen to do their work. Let the mixture steep for about a week. During this time, stir it once a day to introduce more oxygen and help the breakdown process. You might notice a strong smell as the weeds decompose, which is normal. This odor indicates that the beneficial bacteria are active and breaking down the plant material into a nutrient-rich liquid. After a week, your weed tea should be ready to use. It will be a dark, murky liquid packed with nutrients. Before applying it to your plants, you need to dilute it because it's very concentrated. A good rule of thumb is to dilute the tea at a ratio of 1 part weed tea to 10 parts water. This means if you have 1 gallon of weed tea, you'll need to add 10 gallons of water to it. To apply the diluted weed tea, simply water your plants with it. You can pour it directly onto the soil around the base of your plants, or use it as a foliar spray to apply it to the leaves. Be sure to do this early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid burning the leaves in the hot sun. Weed tea is an excellent way to nourish your plants and recycle garden waste. It provides a wide range of nutrients that can help improve plant growth and health. By following these simple steps, you can create your own weed tea and give your garden a natural boost. Remember, the key to a good weed tea is variety, so use as many different types of weeds as you can find. This diversity will ensure that your tea is rich in a wide range of nutrients, making it a powerful, homemade fertilizer for your garden. We'd love to hear your favorite organic methods in the comments section below. Don't forget to check out the video links in the description for more recipes and step-by-step guides on creating your own nutrient-rich fertilizers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more gardening tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore our other videos.